Hey guys, just want to go through an install on how you do the LED wiring on these Infinity 622M LWs. What I'm going to be doing is putting them on my motorcycle. I'm going to be tying into the OP7 Aurora LED kit. All you have to do is these Infinity speakers, they come with this wiring adapter that's square. You can see it's a square box, and it comes with these bare ends, 4 bare ends. So all you have to do is take one of your Aurora LED adapters that are flat pins, and you want to cut off the end and solder them together. I was able to use these shrink tube with the solder in the middle and connect them up. This is the first one. So you want the flat, or you want the square on this side, and you want the flat with the pins on the other side. And all you have to do is plug it into your existing OP7 LED kit. Okay, so all you have to do is I unplugged one of my existing wiring kits from in here and plugged in my adapter that we made with the splices. You go into the speaker, click the speaker in, and now that's tied in to the LED lights. Super simple. All you have to do is use these little white solder connectors. An OP7 kit and old OP7 extensions or accessories. And you can have everything working together. Thanks. I'll get you next time.